This is Hoghton Tower, the inside of Lancashire, which was built in 1565.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
As it says in the crest there, 1565. James I came for a visit and he stayed for 3 days, and it cost the owner so much that he ended up going to a debtor's prison for 12 months until his sons could raise the money to pay off the debt incurred by looking after the king and his retinue for 3 days. And the guide said it was easier to burn a hole in your roof and say your house wasn't fit for the king than to have that amount of debt. So there we go, this is Hoghton Tower.